live, doubles. Let me know. Let me know. Let me know, baby. Let me know. Doubles. Mic check 1 2. Mic check. Check mic. Check mic. Check mic 1 2. Check. Are we live? Are we live? Ladies and gentlemen, peoples of all kinds. We're live, doubles, we're live. Yo, what's up? It's Coach Nick Money in the house. And this is another episode of Power Play, where we combine recompressing, decompressing, getting ourselves recalibrated in between regular hours and power hour by playing a little Fortnite, getting ready for the stonk runners by looking at the market movers, and that's the power portion of it. Checking out some technical analysis and making some decisions as to which stonks we might want for power hour, which starts at 3 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you don't know what power hour is, it's generally a time at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time when volume generally comes back into the market and the potential for parabolic runners increases dramatically. Dramatically, doubles. Dramatically, doubles. You know what I'm saying? Alright. Alright, so this is the play portion of the show. As soon as we're done with the play portion of the show, we're gonna go and check out some stocks. Right now, we got a new mover. WBUY. We buy. Up 76%. 2 million float. 4 million volume. Doubles. Volume, I tell you. Volume. Alright, that's what's going on. There's somebody up in front of me, doubles. We're going to have to get into a battle royale, per se, I would say. Perhaps. What do you think, doubles? Could it be? Probably. Where'd they go? They were over here, doubles. I could have sworn they were right here. That's not good. I caught a little bit in the stone. Alright. There's some shooting going on. Let's get into the fray. Why don't we? Should we get into the fray, doubles? Let's get into the fray. Ladies and gentlemen, let's get a share party going on. This is the play portion of Power Play. If you're not subscribed to the YouTube channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And subscribe to @CoachNickMoney. @CoachNickMoney. And of course, on X, we're @CoachNickMoney. Facebook, Instagram, and Threads, @CoachNickMoney. And what else? We're also on Twitch live streaming @CoachNickMoney. Somebody here. Let's go in here. And we're also no mas. All right, what else is going on? Well, let's see, where else are we? We're on TikTok at DBLNix. And of course, we can't leave out our Discord. If you'd like to try out our Discord, if you'd like to try out our Discord, you can try out our Discord. Why not? We got a 4-day trial. $9.99. $9.99. Ladies and gentlemen, peoples. Yes, sir. What's over here? Good? Yeah. They took everything I needed, I think. These critters took everything, doubles. They took everything. Those rotten scoundrels. Alright. So what's going on here? We're going to CETX was the big mover today. Pre-market. Pre-market, it ran 558%. Doubles. Yeah, that's what happened. It ran that much. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Oh, look, the risk to vanish doubles. See that? They vanished. They vanished, doubles. They vanished. So we're gonna have to go elsewhere, I guess. All right. Doubles, doubles, double trouble. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Let's get into zone. Let's get into the zone, doubles. Let's get into the zone, baby. Oh my, doubles, oh my. Oh, what is this? We got the what the heck do they call those guys? Those mythical characters. I forget what they call them, doubles. What do they call them? NPC, yeah, PPC there. The PPC, baby. Oh, what is all this? Yummy. Oh my goodness, migration. Oh my. Oh, what happened over there? No. I need that. I needs that right there. I needs that right there. What happened? Did I leave my medkit, Stubbles? Did I? No, I didn't. Oh, I left the jetpack, right? I left the jetpack. No. We can't have any of that. We can't have any of that, Doubles. We can't have any of that. Where's the jetpack? There it goes. There it goes. There's the beef. Let's go. Yeah, I know. You're right. So we know that somebody's got the mythical medallion. You know that, right, Doubles? You know that. Let's go, baby. Why don't we go... Yeah. Why don't we do that, Doubles? What do you think? Let's go, oh, there's enemies right there, bro. Switch! I say sewage because you garbage. Garbage, I tell you. Let's get a ship party. Let's go, Doubles. What do you think? Doubles, can we go? Shall we dance, bro? Oh, migration. Oh! Why is he... Oh, because he's got the thing, right? He's got the thing. He's got the reboot thing. That's why. That's why he's there. That guy right there. Yeah, right there. Oh my. Oh my. I feel terrible. Did I mention I feel terrible, Doubles? I feel terrible. No, I don't. No, right, Doubles? No. Ooh! 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 Doubles, ooh! What do you think, Doubles? Whoa, we got an enemy! Where's the beef, bro? Ooh! Ooh! Give me that gun. Give me that. Give me that there. Give it to me. I want shit. I want shit, I tell ya. I need it. I want it. Ooh, ooh. Doubles, I got a purple shiny. And I got a gold AR. Doubles. I'm tired of the nonsense, doubles. Let's get a share party going on. TWG, 245%. FULC, 65%. We by pulling down. Pulling on down. Pulling on down. All right. We got height doubles. We got height doubles. We got height doubles. Doubles. We got height. Blah, blah, blah. We got height. Doubles. We got height. Let's get a share party. Let's get a share party. TWG was a stock that ran parabolic on Friday at 4:30 with news, earnings, positive earnings. We did a little post to poo on Saturday about it on Twitter. Gave it to the Discord on Friday. And of course, it ran 245% today. That's how we do it, baby. That's how we do it. So make sure you subscribe to the Twitter account. And you might want to check out the Discord with the 4-day trial for $9.99 in the pinned description, as well as in the what is it, pinned comment and in the description, right? Doubles, is that the way you say it? Is that the way you say it? In the pinned comment and in the description? Yeah, what you just said, my brother. What you just said. What y'all just said, fella. Is there somebody down there? Is there somebody down there? Doubles. Is somebody down there? Oh my gracious. What is this? This is not the battle that I was in, right? No. No. This is not the battle I was in, Doubles. No, sir. No, sirree. No, sirree, Bob. But I'm in a divot over here, and we don't like that. We don't like that kind of stuff, Doubles. Oh, let's take some hot, bruh. Why not? Why not? I tell you. We got hype, bruh. We got hype, bruh. Weapons! It's clean weapons! Doubles. Oh my, doubles, oh my. Oh, migration. Oh, migration. Where's these critters at? Where they at? Where's the beef? Where's the beef, Doubles? All right, Doubles. All right. Here we go. Up, away. This guy's right here, bro. Oh shoot, I gotta pop this medkit over here. Oh no! No! Ah, dude, he broke into my box, bro. He broke into the box! No, 2023 gainer, hopefully a bright future for PAVS investors. Another AI sector gainer, thumbs up video. Thank you, gainer. Let's check it out. Let's take a look and see what's going on. We're watching TWG moving, now up 278% doubles, 278% doubles.
TWG now up 278%.
Yeah, let's go take a look at PAVS real quick for gainer. PAVS, let's check it out. Let's check out what's going on with that ticker. All right, so it needs to get above VWAP, no question about it. It is a sub 10 cent stonk, so let's get some support and resistance levels formulated by using the Fibonacci retracement. So right now it is just below support at around 5 cents. It needs to break the support area, the resistance area of 5 cents, and make it support. VWAP will be in the next resistance area at 6 cents. And of course, we got 6 cents over here, a little higher, 6 cents and change on the Fibonacci retracement. Next level would be 7 cents. Pretty much every penny becomes a level. The RSI is selling off, so it needs to bounce off the oversold area for Paranovus Entertainment to push upward. It has gone as high as 10 cents within the past day. Let's see what it looks like on the 5-minute. And again, it is 10 cents is the high. So we need to see a bounce above that 5 cent mark in order for a test to occur. It needs to break this general downtrend that's going on right now. So it needs volume. It needs volume love, I tell you. Volume love for PAVS is in order. TWG, given to the Discord on Friday for today. It hit a high of 278%, has pulled back somewhat. It's currently $21 and change, $21 and change. And yeah, it's a RSI is definitely in the overbought area. There might be some room, there might not be, but we could see that the 90 MA is spreading away from the VWAP. So that's an indication that it's starting to get a little too extended. It's a little extended, doubles, a little bit. A little bit, doubles, a little bit. You know what I mean? You know what I'm talking about, doubles? You know what I'm saying?
Yes.
You know what I'm saying, bro?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. So that's a story. That's the story with TWG. Let's take a look at CETX. Let's get a share party. Yes. CETX ran. That's the ticker that ran 558% this morning. But you can see that as quickly as it pumped up, it dumped down. Right over here. It pumped up and it dumped down. And now it's struggling below VWAP. So, I don't know, doubles. I don't know. Little, come see, come saw. The RSI is indifferent. No clear leader as far as a buyer or a sellers. Buyers or sellers, not clear. Volume's dipping. We know that power hour is generally going to be where volume comes in. And just before power hour is usually a lull type of period. So that's what's happening right now. It's in a lull. The overall market is in a lull. People go out to lunch, you know, a lot of the morning traders stop trading, right? Then what happens is people come back at 3 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and there's usually more volume, and there's more likelihood that one of these tickers can become a parabolic runner during power hour. Thus, the power portion of the power play show that you're watching right now. The play portion of it is us getting the dubs in Fortnite for the community, Yeah, so that's a story. That's the story, Charlie. That's the story, Charlie. You know what I mean? But we're looking at the scanners in the Discord that we're sharing with you, the custom scanners that you would get if you come and join the Discord. You have a 4-day trial for the Discord for $9.99. It'll give you access to this scanner as well as several other scanners and the early watch list, which included TWG on Friday for today. Hello, TWG. So you would have known about TWG on Friday, and of course we also did a nice write-up in the Discord on Saturday for the community, so you would get access to all of that. So for $9.99, you could take that 4-day trial. So go ahead and take advantage of that. CETX, like we said, ran 558%. It was a low floater stock. You could see the float on our scanners, 739,000. That same situation with the float on TWG, 523,000. So very low float, high volume on both tickers. It's the CETX ticker had massive volume at 112 million shares, but it didn't hold up as well as TWG has held up so far. TWG had 15 million float, which is also a lot. It's a lot. You know what I mean? It's like 30 times the float, and this is a micro float stock, but it had some really amazing news, right? It had news that their profit margins were really high and so on and so forth. It's also a Cayman Island / Hong Kong stock. So those stocks can definitely go quite ballistic. They absolutely can go ballistic. They tend to be a little bit more risky, but this one had some solid news. So, you know, yeah, like that, you know what I mean? Like that. We could take a look at GPCR. It's a more expensive stock, but it is on the scanner. So we'll just take a quick peek at it. GPCR ran over 100%. You could see that it's formed what looks to be like a pennant below VWAP. But again, this ticker is very expensive, and it's also a heavy floated stock at 43 million shares. You could see it on the custom scanners that we're sharing with you. And the 16 million volume is much, much lower than the float. So that's always an issue. But let's get the graffiti pencil activated and form the pennant anyway. I'm not really particularly loving the way this chart looks, but it has formed a pennant. It's sub VWAP right now. It needs volume love. And that's all I'm going to say about that. FULC. FULC. Ha ha. You thought I was trying to say something there. You see something, you say something. That's what I'm talking about. All right. All right. So this is Fulcrum Therapeutics. Okay. The company is trading higher after the company reported initial results from a 20 milligram dose cohort of phase 1B. That's a low level test. 1B is low level, right? It gets schmexier at 2 and much more schmexier at 3. The trial of procedure in sickle cell disease showing a clear dose response, robust fetal hemoglobin induction at week 6. So that's Fulcrum up 65%. Also a heavy floated stock at 37 million. Volume only 19 million, up 65%. It has formed a bull pennant, but it needs volume love. And of course, a lot of these stocks are going to need volume love because it's not power hour yet, doubles. You know what I mean? You need to have some power hour, baby. We got almost 500 folks in here. Let's get a share party. Share it up. Let's get to 600, 700, 800. Let's go, baby. We buy. Let's go to We Buy, doubles. We're going to go to We Buy. Why not, doubles? Why not? We're going to go to We Buy. Why not? We Buy. Huh? Perhaps, doubles, perhaps, yes. We Buy is a 2 million float stock. It has 3x in volume at 6 million, so not a heck of a lot of volume. We Buy is trading higher after the company announced that its subsidiary had entered into a collaboration agreement with Witstar Group to jointly design and promote cross-border education-related and cultural exchange programs between China and Malaysia. China, doubles. China. It's up 54%. Could use some more volume, right? The RSI was definitely overbought. It pulled back, right? And we're looking at it over here. It looks like it could potentially be forming a descending wedge bull reversal after pulling back. Maybe. Doubles, could that be? We'll see. It'll need volume love to satisfy that. This is a small descending wedge, right? So they're less reliable when they are small like that, right? But we'll keep an eye on it. We'll see what happens, right, Doubles? We'll see. No? Why not? Why not? Why not, Doubles? IBIO ran earlier in the morning. IBIO, IBIO, IBIO. IBIO. It double topped over here, sold off. It's below VWAP. It's formed a pennant. It has formed a pennant. You know what I mean? Doubles. It formed a pennant over here. But the pennant is below VWAP, so it needs volume love without a doubt. And again, there's still time for that because Power Hour is nowhere near starting yet. We still have an hour and 5 minutes for Power Hour. You could see that the RSI is indifferent, so there's a lack of clear guidance from buyers and sellers when it comes to IBIO. It is $1.73. It's a heavier stock at 22 million shares, but it had 104 million in volume, so it certainly had quite a bit of volume to support the heavier float. So we'll see what happens with the stock. Right now, it has a bunch of indecisiveness with the RSI. There's obviously a lack of volume because it is before Power Hour. Hopefully, volume will bless it and get it above the VWAP. The VWAP's at $1.85. So we'll put a graffiti pencil over there with the green line. Hopefully it'll come out green instead of blue because it keeps coming out blue. It came out green, Doubles. It came out green. Oh, migration. Oh, migration. Oh, migration. BDRX. Let's check it out. BDRX. BDRX. Let's go check it out. I don't know. It don't look too hot. I don't like it. I don't like it, Doubles. It's got to get above VWAP. Back to CETX. Let's check it out. CETX. It's got to break VWAP. You know, if it breaks VWAP, it could be schmaxy. So let's see it break this downtrend. Let's see it break out of this downtrend right here. If it can break out of this downtrend and get above VWAP, which is at $8.45, maybe there's a round two. We'll see what happens with CETX. You ran 558% in pre-market, but what have you done for me lately? Come on, man. Come on, man. Come on. You need to be schmixier than that. You need to be schmixier than that. Right, Doubles? What do you think? Let's go back to TWG. TWG. Come on. Come on. Come on, chart. You can do it. You can do it. Come on, fella. You can do it. All right, so this stock just pulled back to VWAP. I think it's probably going to pull some more. This looks like a pretty steep drop on the RSI. We'll keep an eye on TWG, and we'll bounce around between the different stocks. Let's go get a dub for the community, Doubles. What do you think? Shall we? Shall we? Shall we get a dub for the community? Shall we? Shall we? All right, let's go. Let's get a dub for the community. Ladies and gentlemen, make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel at Coach Nick Money. At Coach Nick Money, and of course you're going to want to follow us on x.com, aka Twitter, at Coach Nick Money. At Coach Nick Money, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. We're giving you financial news on x.com, as well as pre-market, regular hours, and after hours, everything and anything having to do with micro caps and small cap stocks. So go ahead and make sure you're following us on x.com at Coach Nick Money. At Coach Nick Money, we put a lot of time into doing a lot of stuff like technical analysis, giving you information about filings, giving you information about press releases, and much, much more on x.com. We're also on Facebook, Instagram, and Threads at Coach Nick Money. At Coach Nick Money, and we live stream on Twitch at Coach Nick Money. And we're also on TikTok at DBL Nicks, at DBL NICKS, and the screen name is Coach Nick Money. And of course, you're looking at the custom scanner from the Discord. We have multiple custom scanners on the Discord. This is the market mover that you're looking at, which gives the leading gainers of the day, so that you have the tip of your fingers with float volume, as well as links to news and filings and much, much more. So you have the full story, not just some Fergazy scanner that doesn't work pre-market and after hours. Hours works pre-market, regular hours, and after hours. Not some Fugazi scanner that doesn't give you the float. We give you the float, and we also give you the news, filings, and much, much more. So we give you the full package with this scanner. We also have the breakout scanner that is constantly monitoring for stocks that are showing unusual volume surges, which could be a potential breakout for the community. So you got access to that and much, much more. A bunch of search features to search news and much, much more on that as well. Doubles, what else, Doubles? What else? What else do we got? We got so many things, Doubles, right? We also have the early watch list. That's fuego, fuego, fuego. So in the link in the description and in the pinned comment is available for you so that you can check out the Discord on a trial for $9.99. Go ahead and click the link, baby. Click it. Click it good. Click it good, baby. Click it good. Click it. And let us know that you saw us on the stream. Make sure you set your notifications on YouTube at Coach Nick Money, because at 8:20 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, Monday through Friday, the star of Microcap Morning sitting right beside me, the one, the only, the indelible one, DBO Nick's in the house, a.k.a. the Rainmaker, with his trusty cohort, the one and only Serengeti Specialist, the ABCD Specialist, constantly finding parabolic runners for you. We like to call it a Serengeti Specialist, but her real name is DBO Moms. Yes, sir. So that's the whole show, folks. You got all of that going on. You got all of it, Doubles. You got all of it, I'm telling you. Right, Doubles? You got all of it. Why not? Why not? Oh, my. Oh, my. Oh, my. Oh, my. Doubles, you silly bird, you. What is this car doing here? That don't look normal. That don't look like it belong here. It don't look like it belong here, Doubles. It don't look like it belong here, you know what I mean, bruh? Bruh, what's going on over here? What's going on? What's going on? Yeah, what's going on? Yeah. I knew there was somebody here, bro. Get out of here, bro. Get out of my lobby, bro. Get out of my lobby, bruh. Bruh. Get out of my lobby, you punk. A son restrict X. Get out of here, fella. What do you want from me? What do you need from me? You can't handle it. If you can't handle it, get out of the kitchen, yo. Tell him, Doubles. Tell him. That's it, bro. Let's go. Ho ho. Alright. Doubles. Double trouble, double. You know what? I think I'm gonna rock. I think I wanna rock the SMG, you know? I think I do. You know? Yeah, I think I'm gonna rock it, you know? Why not? Why not? Perhaps. Why not, Doubles? Why not? Why not? Perhaps, Doubles, perhaps. Perhaps, Doubles. Ooh, Doubles. Ooh, Doubles. Wow. I think we should go in. What do you think, Doubles? Huh? Yes or no? Yes. ¿Por qué no? Yes, let's go in, bruh. We had this little critter upset me. He upset me, Doubles. Yeah, he made me upsetty spaghetti, bro. A little bit, bruh. Let's get a share party. Let's share it up. IBO, 48%. BDRX, 39%. Oh, my. Gotta get a dub. No pressure on the coach, but we gotta get a dub. Gots to, Doubles. We gots to. You know what I mean, bruh? Bruh. Why not? What is that? Oh, my. Migration. Oh, migration, Doubles. Wow, look at that storm, huh? It don't matter. I got med kits, bruh. And it's worth it for me to hang out and get some good weapons. Why not, bruh? Why not, bruh? Bruh. Uh-huh. Ooh, yummy. Let's go see if we can get, like, some weapons over here. You know, why not, Doubles? Why not? Okay, anything good over here? Look. Garbage. I don't know. Maybe we'll get some of these guys. Why not? Okay, why not? Why not? Why not? Let's get that. Keep that. I don't know. Not really impressed with what I got, Doubles, you know? I really wanted a better weapon, no? Somebody took the purple. The purple. Somebody took the purple. Somebody took the purple. They took the purple. They took it, Doubles. I don't like that, Doubles. I don't like it. I don't like it. Me no like it. I mean, I don't like it. No, I don't like it. I don't like it. Doubles. Alright, what's going on over here? Where is... Ah, that's what I'm looking for, right there. Come on, open. Open, open up. Open on up. Hurry up. I need you to open it up. Hurry up. Hurry up. Oh, migration. Oh, my. Oh, my, oh, my, oh, me, oh, Doubles. Oh, my. Why not? Ha-ha. Let's go, baby. Perhaps. Let's go get that loot, Doubles. Let's get a shared party. Let's get to 1,000. We're almost there. We're almost there, I tell ya. We're almost there, Doubles. We're almost there. I'm just saying. Wow. Wow. Oh, migration. Oh, migration, Doubles. ¿Por qué no los dos, baby? ¿Por qué no los dos? I don't even know what I'm talking about, bro. Right, Doubles? I don't know what I'm talking about, bro. I don't know what I'm talking about. I don't know. I don't. Ooh, I want that, though. I want that. I want it. I want it. I want it, I tell you. Alright, Doubles. We're gonna just take this medikit, and then we're gonna get the heck out of here, bro. Let's go. Let's get out of here, bro. That's enough. We overstayed our welcome, Doubles. Alright, there we go, bro. Oh, this thing doesn't really let you go as far as it used to. I think I had it on, Doubles. I don't know. Doubles, why are you giving me a hard time? Come on, Doubles. You know, you're giving me a hard time, fella. You're giving me a hard time, fella. I don't know what you're talking about, Doubles. I don't know. Ooh, I just banged my head, bro. No bueno, no bueno, no bueno. No bueno. Ooh, there's a chest right there, though. I don't know. I feel like I should grab it, no? I mean, I got it. Medkits, why not? Oh, nobody took it. Look, that medkit, that drop is right there, bro. I feel like I should get it, right? Doubles, what do you think? I mean, why not? Why not? Doubles, why not? Perhaps. Why not? Why not? Ooh-wee. Ooh, look at. Oh my. Alright. Let's get into the zone. Let's get into the zone, Doubles. Let's just get in. What do you think, Doubles? Huh? Shall we? Shall we dance? Shall we dance, Doubles? Oh my. Oh my. Oh my. Son? What's going on here? Alright, we almost got 1,000 folks here. Let's get a share party. Let's share it up, share it up, share it up. Let's go. Yeah. Yeah, why not? Why not, Doubles? Why not? Why not? Woo! Woo! Doubles, woo! Somebody there, bro? I feel like somebody's right there. I don't know. I don't know. I feel like I should get this thing right here. Come on. You can do it. You can do it. Feels like there's an enemy down below now. You know, doubles. I don't know, doubles. I feel like I should go to height over there, you know? I don't know. I don't know, doubles. I don't know. I don't know what to think, doubles. I don't know. You tell me. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know where I want to go. I don't want the volcano to blow, though, bro. I don't want.
I've done that many times before.
I know. It does blow all the time, the volcano in Fortnite, you know? Alright, let's go. Let's go, let's go, Who do we got? We got anybody? We got anybody over here? What's going on, bruh? Ooh, we got an enemy right here, bro. Enemy, enemy, enemy. Where's he at? Where is he at? He just disappeared, bro, is where he's at. That's crazy. Couldn't be me. I don't know. I think they might have had a battle and maybe... I don't know. Where did the medallion go, bro? Wow, that's weird. I don't know, doubles. It's weird, like the medallion just disappears, bro. That doesn't make any sense. No, it disappeared, it came back, it disappeared, it came back. I don't know. Right there? I don't know. Kind of like centigrade right here, bro. Let's make sure there's nobody behind me. Ain't nobody behind me. Somebody's coming. Somebody's floating. Somebody's floating. Somebody's floating. There's 5 folks left. Doubles. I'm gonna have some coffee. Let's get the share party going on. Yeah. Yeah, doubles. Yeah. Yeah. Why not? Why not? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. See, now the guy's popping up again. See, he's over here now. See, he's right there. Right there. Of course, I don't have any zone. I don't have the zone, doubles. I don't have the zone, you know? I know how that. No, how that. I'm gonna start moving, bro. Let's get into zone, baby. He's right behind me, bro. I don't see him, though. I feel like I want to catch him. I want to get this guy. Come on, fella. Come on. Come on. There goes somebody flying in the sky. That's not him. Where'd he go? Oof, I didn't mean to do that. Where the heck did this guy go? Bye, toodaloo. Toodaloo. Yeah, well, you just said, bro. Oh, I wanted that. This guy's nearby, bro. Let's get a share party. TWG trying to move back up again, doubles. He's down below. He's trying to beat me. But I'm not gonna let him win. I won't let it happen. I just won't, I tell ya. Doubles, I won't, I tell ya. I won't. I want to beat him. We got 1,000 folks with us. Come on. Come on, critter. Come on. Let's go, Storm. Come on, Storm. Let's do this, baby. Let's go. DBL Knicks in the house. Let's get a share party. CETX moving up 153%, 739,000 float. Alright. 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 Doubles. Troubles. Double troubles. I need these two fellas to start fighting so I could third party them. BDRX moving on up. 39%. sir. Yeah, oh, no way. No, 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 no. Bruh. Dude. Bruh. That's just foul. Flag on the play.
Flag on the play.
Darn, another third place? I hate that. No bueno, no bueno, no bueno, doubles. No, all right, anyway, let's go take a look at some of the stonks right now. All right, so we're looking at TWG. Ran up 278%. 523,000 float. Very low float. Let's get a share party. Let's get to 1,100. 1,100. All right, so this could be either a head and shoulders pattern right over here. So a shoulder, shoulder, a head. Or it could potentially be a descending wedge bull reversal. It's still quite extended from the VWAP, but I'm going to go with the positivity. Positivity. Let's go and say maybe it's a descending wedge bull reversal, hopefully, but the RSI is dipping downward. If it goes below the center mass of the RSI, then it becomes less likely that this is going to bounce from where it's at. And we do have signals here that would indicate that it still needs to pull back. Specifically, the 9 EMA, which is right here, and the VWAP are quite separated. See how nice and tight they are over here just before a big parabolic run? But then once they separate, they start to pull back. So it's quite possible that this could be in a downward trajectory, and we could potentially have something like this happen where the descending wedge continues to dip, and it may or may not reverse, right? Because the 9 EMA is significantly further apart from the VWAP. So we'll see what happens with that. Let's get a share party going on. It lacks volume, obviously, because we still have a whole bunch of time, 38 minutes before power hour. So that's when volume generally comes in. Now, if it should break the upper band of the descending wedge bull reversal, that would be a bull pattern. And then you would probably have resistance at around $20 and change right here, and then all the way up to $21 and change right there. So we'll see what happens. It's become a bit of an expensive stock, but when we first called it last week, it was $6 and change, doubles $5 and change. So yeah, so get into the Discord. Links in the description, baby. Go ahead, and in the pinned comment, go ahead and check it out. Check it out. It's doing a little bit of a breakout. Doubles. It's breaking. It is breaking from the descending wedge. We did say a descending wedge. Now it needs to prove its love to me with further volume. So let's put some resistance areas since it actually is trying to break out. Let's go ahead and say right over here is a level, right, that it needs to break past. And how about right over here, doubles? How about right here? This would be another level. And then, of course, the higher day would be an ultimate test right over here, right? So we got a couple of levels that potentially would be of interest to us, right? So it would be right here at 1966, 2070-ish, and then the high of day 2285-ish. Give or take doubles. So it's currently trying to do its thing and move back up. It was up 278%. This had positive earning news at around 4:25, 4:30 on Friday in after hours, and it continued to today. Yeesh. And it's a very low float stock with 523,000 shares, a volume of 17 million doubles. Million, right? All right, let's go take a look at CETX. This was a big runner in the morning at 558%, but then it sold off pretty strong. Right now, it's still not looking quite schmexy at all. It really does need to break the VWAP, but it round tripped, so that's always very disconcerting. Very disconcerting. CETX. Let's see if it had any news. I don't think it did have news. Did it? I don't think so. No news. No news. No news. No, no news. No news. And it's sub VWAP now. So, yeah, you ran 558% pre-market. But now you've given up almost more than 400% of that. So what have you done for me lately? Let's go to We Buy. We Buy. We Buy. We buy. Uh-oh, look, we said a descending wedge bull reversal. Look, it did a descending wedge bull reversal, doubles. And guess what? Now it's forming a pennant, doubles. Yeah, we buy, we buy, we buy. Why not? We buy. 2 million float, 9 million volume, 9 million, 9 million. So we could say that it's got one of these things going on and one of these things over here going on right here. So you got that going on right here now. That's the story with we buy. We buy. That's the story with we buy. Why not? Why not? FULC. 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 Okay? All right. It formed a pennant, and it's still in that pennant. It's now above VWAP, which is good. It's up 62%. 62%. It has like phase 1B results, which are lower level testing for a biotech type of company. Not super high as far as the spectrum, if you will, of testing. It's a heavier floated stock at 37 million, and it's an expensive stock, so that float is going to affect the price action. It only has 20 million in volume, so expect a lot of sudden flushes, which is exactly why you have a lot of top tails on this particular stocks. And we don't like those doggone top tails. We like the bottom tails. And if you give me a double bottom, a green one, right? Bottom tail green and double bottoms, right? Hey, I'm in love. I'm just saying. I'm just perhaps. IBIO. Let's check that one out. IBIO is in a pennant, but it's still below VWAP. You could see VWAP in the green line. So it needs to break out of this pennant still. It's still a pennant, and it needs to break the VWAP to be shamexy to me. It is a 22 million float stock on the heavier side, but not horrendously heavy. And it did have quite a bit of volume at 106 million. So this could be something if it can break the VWAP. The VWAP doubles? Yeah. Doubles the VWAP. The VWAP. All right, BDRX. Let's go and check it out. BDRX is below VWAP, not schmexe at all, I would say, doubles. No. Back to we buy. We buy it. You break it, we buy it. Wait, that doesn't sound right, doubles?
You break, I fix.
I don't know, something like that.
That was like a place that we passed by.
Wasn't that like a chain in South Florida? Looky here! TWG moving! Breaking the resistance, the fist resistance. Resistance at 2273. 2273. 2273 in a halt, up 265%. Testing the higher day. Testing. Is this? Never mind. If you know, you know. If you know, you know. We're going to keep an eye on TWG. Yo, TWG in the house, yo. Hey. Doubles. Let's get a victory royale for the community. Why not? We're gonna let all these stocks cook a little bit. You know what I mean? We're gonna specifically let TWG cook since we're watching it. You know what I mean? Doubles. And now we're gonna go and try to get a dub for the community. Let's get that dubation. We've got 1,200 folks in the stream. Let's go and get 1,300, 1,400. We got 31 minutes before power hour. We got the Serengeti specialist on the dusts of the Serengeti trying to get the next ABCD parabolic runner for you. She's got her bushy tail activated. DBL Moms. You could do better than that, DBL Moms. DBL Moms. Let's go, baby. That's crisp and sharp. That's what I like. I like those sharp haze, you know? Hey, I like them a lot. All these stonks turning green. I love it. Let's go, baby. You're looking at the stonks on the custom standards on the left-hand side. The custom standards are being shared to you directly from our Discord. You're welcome. Give us your float, the volume. Why not? You're the Indelibles. Why not? Well, why not? Let's go, Indelibles. Let's go. Want to get a victory royale for our crew, baby. Let's go. Make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel. Make sure you subscribe. You're following us on X. It's at Coach Nick Money on both platforms. Facebook, Instagram, and Threads at Coach Nick Money. TikTok at DBLNix. And Twitch at Coach Nick Money. And if you want to take the 4-day trial with the Discord, go ahead and click the link in the description or in the pinned comment for that 4-day trial. It will give you access to all the tools and amazing community, search tools, scanners, and much, much more. It's not just a Discord. It is a full platform to help you succeed in achieving your goals and aspirations. But ultimately, it's up to y'all, right? It's always up to y'all, right? So we give you the tools, we'll help you out, and then you execute, baby. You execute, baby, baby. Oh, look, Doubles, they still got the surfing mechanics. Look at that. Doubles. Alright, Doubles, alright. Let's go, Doubles. Let's go, baby. Ooh, sweet. Sweet. Sweetness, baby. Ooh, look, they got the sword over there, Doubles. I'm gonna have to go and get that sword there, you know what I mean? Doubles, I need it. I want it and I needs it, Doubles. I need it and I want it. Yes, sir, baby. Doubles, double trouble. Why not? Why not? Yeah, not. Oh my gracious. Oh my gracious. Why not? Why not? Why not? Come on, give me some shield here. Shield. Yes. That's what I'm talking about, Doubles. Ooh, an enemy. Look at that. We're gonna have to fry him, Doubles. We're gonna have to fry that fella. What do you think, Doubles? Where did he go? Where did he go? Where did you go, my lovely? Ooh, wee. I feel like I should attack this guy. I feel like I should attack him, Doubles, you know? Sugar! Ooh, oh, migration, bruh. Oh, migration, bruh. I got hit, Doubles. I don't know if I'm gonna make it. I don't know if I'm gonna make it, Doubles. I'm gonna make it. Oh, no. No. Whoa, we got an enemy, Doubles. We got an enemy. Get out of here, bro. Clowns. Everybody's a clown, bro. Clown show. They don't understand. They don't understand that I'm going to eliminate them. They just don't get it. I am a machine. I am a machine, Doubles. Double. I am a machine, Doubles. I am. Oh, migration. Oh, migration, Doubles. Right, Doubles? What do you think? Oh my, Doubles, oh my. Man, look at these guys coming up behind me, bro. Where you at, fella? Bye-bye! Toodaloo, moderator! Moderator!
Yeah, what did he say? What did he say?
Bye-bye, fella. Ooh, a jetpack, why not? Oh, somebody took the sword, bro. We don't want that. Somebody took the sword, bro. Nah. Nah. Somebody took the sword. Oh, well. This guy attacked me, you know? He attacked me. He attacked the coach. You know what I mean? He did. Scoundrel, I tell you. Scoundrel. I feel like I should go back and get him. I don't know. Maybe I won't, because I don't have enough ammo. I didn't even get to go to the base over there or nothing, you know? Nothing, doubles. I didn't get to do nothing. I got attacked so much, bro. These folks are mean, bro. You know? I'm just saying. Ah, gunfight. Why not? Oh, who's fighting? Who is it? Who is it? Who is it, doubles? Would it be the Homer Simpson guy? I hope it's the Homer Simpson guy. I'd love to see him. I'd love to see him again. Now that somebody's here, bro. It is him again. This Homer Simpson guy is annoying as, you know? Yeah, he's annoying, bro. I want to end him. Of course he's right there, bro. What happened, bro? This guy is here again, bro. He won't stop, dude. I'm gonna mess him up. I just need some distance. Dude, yo, this guy was relentless, bro. Wow, what a schmuck. All right. Oh my goodness gracious, what is wrong with him? All right, let's take a look at what's going on. It's 2:39 p.m. and TWG went parabolic doubles. It hit $25.95. 105%, 308%. Oh my, TWJ. And if you were in the Discord, ladies and gentlemen, it was part of the early watch list on Friday for Monday. With full explanation in the Discord. Da, 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 da. Now, all the rookies, they say, it's not important if you're the early bird that catches the cash, gets the cash, but it is important because you could plan for it. All right? And you only have that kind of an excuse if you're a loser. Loser! Oh, I went there. DBL moms. You got all these rookies. Oh, it don't matter if you're the first one to catch it. That's because you don't got scanners, yo.
Watch this.
Yeah. I don't got the L dance. You want to find the L dance? Oh, we got a Christmas version of it? For real? No, I don't have that, do I?
Probably do.
Really? No. Hold on. We're going to give you some emotes for them losers that keep telling you all kinds of nonsense about you don't want to be the early bird. You do want to be the early bird. Jingle? Oh, that's the jingle bell thing? Jingle, jingle, jingle? Ding, 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 like that? Which one? There it is, that one. Yes. Oh, should we add that?
Yeah,
Let's add that one. Yeah, that's what we got for all these turkeys that are like, oh yeah, you don't need to be the early bird. Yes, you need to be the early bird. You want to know in advance, ladies and gentlemen, that there's a good chance that it's you don't want to be a late to the party. What are you gonna have? The scraps? You're gonna have a pig in a blanket that's been out there for 5 hours and is as hard as a brick, and you can kill somebody with it. You use it as a slingshot. Yeah, you use your mama's panties as a slingshot. Come on, you don't want that. You don't need that.
Good sir.
I don't know, bro. I don't know. You got all these clowns. Yo, it don't matter that somebody got it early. Yeah, it matters. Yeah, it matters. With explanation, baby. With explanation, baby. Get into the Discord. Check it out for yourself. Click the link in the description and get the full description of what's up, baby. Yeah. How we broke it down. You know what I'm saying? Here's what we told the Discord. I'm gonna look it up because you know what? I'm feeling salty, bro. I'm feeling salty. Salty, baby. Salt and pepper. Salt and pepper. Check it out. Right, here's the explanation. Ready? Here we go. TWG, high priority watch for Monday, 12/8/25. This was on Saturday. We wrote this on Saturday. We gave it as an early watch list on Friday for today. TWG closed Friday after hours with extremely strong momentum, finishing near $10 plus after a major surge triggered by an after-hour profitability catalyst. The company is projecting at least $4 million in 2025 net income, a full reversal from last year's loss. A headline traders aggressively responded to. Float and volume dynamics, 522,000 shares. Volume at the time, 7 million shares. Volume to float ratio, 14 times the float rotation. This is an exceptionally high rotation for a low float Hong Kong operated stock. Anything above 5x float indicates serious speculative demand. 14x puts TWG firmly into squeeze ready and parabolic setup territory, especially heading into a day 2 session. Technical structure, the 5-minute chart developed a textbook bull cup and handle. Strong initial surge from $5.29 to $14 rounded cup formation. Tight handle forming above VWAP. EMAs curling into the handle. MACD reset without giving a bearish cross. This structure is one of the most reliable continuation patterns for low float momentum names, especially following a catalyst. There you have it, ladies and gents. Okay, that's how a real service provides service for their community. That's how we do it with our indelible tribe, ladies and gentlemen. So go ahead and take the 4-day trial for $9.99. You can go ahead and click the link in the description or in the pinned comment and get that trial and see us in action for yourself. And remember, the early bird gets the cash. Anyone that tells you being early is not important they don't have a scanner service. They don't have analysis like we do. They don't know what they're doing. It's as simple as that. Now, ultimately, it's your decision. We're not stock or financial advisors. So you've got to ultimately make your own decision, but you want as many tools in your arsenal as possible. So go ahead and take advantage of that, and don't believe the hype from the pretenders. The pretenders. Don't believe the hype. I'm just saying. What do you think, Doubles?
Don't believe the hype from the liars.
There you go. Listen, TWG is still trying to push up again. It hit a high of $26.47, 311%. It's pulling back ever so slightly, but it's trying to reset itself. So we'll see what happens with TWG. Let's go take a look at CETX, see if it ever recovered from that massive downturn after running 558%. Let's see if it recovered. No, it is still in a downward trend. We buy. Let's take a look at we buy. We buy. We buy. We buy, we buy. Let's get a share party. Let's get to 1,500, 1,600. Let's get to 2,000. We buy is a 2 million float stock with a 10 million volume. So a 5x rotation of the float on this particular stock. Its subsidiary entered into a collaboration agreement with Witstar Group to jointly design and promote cross-border education in China and Malaysia. China and Malaysia. Let's go ahead and refresh so we can take a look at the chart for WeBuy. Now, WeBuy has moved aggressively in the past, and of course, there's almost always some kind of a shelf registration, so it moves and then sells off, moves and sells off. But right now, it just broke out of the second pennant that we drew. So we gave you a pennant earlier, the descending wedge, and it broke out of that descending wedge. Then we gave you a second pennant, and it broke out of that one as well, up 85%, 85%. So that's what you got going on. That's what you got going on. We'll keep an eye on WeBuy. WeBuy, see if it moves. See if it moves. TWG, we're going to go and check out as well, see how that it does. IBIO is trying to move as well. It was parabolic earlier in the morning. Now it's in a pennant, tight pennant formation, but it's below VWAP, so it needs to get above the VWAP. CMCT, new on the scanner. CMCT, forming a cup and handle, cup and handle, cup and handle, da, 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 da. 703,000 shares of float, da, 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 da. Volume 2 million, volume 2 million. So it's got about 3 times the volume, 3 times the volume. It needs more volume, it needs more volume. What song is that? Da 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 da. Farajaka, bro. Farajaka, bro. Farajaka, bro. Bro, come on, bro. Bruh, bruh, bruh. Bruh, bruh. Farajaka, bro. Bruh, bruh, bruh. Farajaka, bruh. Farajaka. Shaka Khan, 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 Shaka Khan. Yeah, I know you did. You put a little bit of love in there. You put your finger in there. You're so sweet. I'm diabetic now. Come on now. You can't be putting your finger in the sugar. Your sugar sweet finger in the coffee is too diabetic for me. Too diabetic. How many folks we got? Let's get a share party, Doubles. How many folks we got? How many? How many? How many folks we got? How many?
We got 1,497.
Let's get. Oh, we got 1,507. Let's go to 1,600. Let's go, baby. Come on, it's a party over here. All right, this is forming a cup and handle pattern. Let's go ahead and give it a Fibonacci retracement so that we can give it different levels of key, levels of support and resistance. If you have questions, put it in the chat. Don't be shy. Don't be shy. Put it in the chat. Just put it in the chat, Doubles.
Just put it in the chat.
Just put it in the chat, Doubles.
Okay, that's enough of that.
All right. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Let's go. So we're gonna little cup and handle over here for CMCT, 703,000 float, low float, 2 million volume, 3x rotation on the float from the volume, forming a cup and handle. Let's go to a 1 minute chart, doubles. See how that cup and handle formation is starting to pan out. You see the little handle right there, doubles? See that little turtleneck poking out right there? That's the handle, the cup and handle, I tell you. Old cup and handle routine, I'm saying. All right, so 550 is going to be a key resistance point that it needs to break out of. We'll keep an eye on it. Let's get a ship body. Let's go to we buy. Scanners. Oh my, 111%. Oh my. Yo, you know what, doubles? I love giving parabolic charts. I love it. If you had been watching the stream from the very beginning, and I know many of you were, you would have seen the descending wedge bull reversal drawn for you. And now you got a bull pattern that broke out. Alrighty. Little extended doubles, but very nice. 117%. We buy with a high of $4.35. DBL moms in the house. Let's go, baby. Let's go. TWG, let's go. Look at here. Look at it. It's holding support at 22.93, trying to do an ABCD. Bull pattern. Let's go, baby. Let's go. It'll have some resistance. Let's move these resistance things over here. Let's move them. Resistance over here. And then there would be resistance right around here, too, at around $25.90. 26. Let's call it $26. Why not? Why not, doubles? Why not? All right, let's go and jump into one more match for the Indelible Pride, and we'll let some of these stonks cook a little bit, doubles. Let's watch We Buy. Why not, doubles? We Buy. Let's check it out. We Buy. 2 million float, 11 million volume. Extended. Why not? Perhaps. Yeah. So we're going to look at that one. We're going to look at TWG. I don't know. Why not, doubles? Why not? You know what I mean? Well, why not? Up 114%. We buy 111. Doubles. We got 1,607 folks in the stream. Let's go get a share party going on. Share it up. Follow us on YouTube at Coach Money. Follow us on X.com at Coach Money. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Threads, Coach Nick Money. Follow us on Twitch at Coach Nick Money. Follow us on TikTok at DBL Nicks. DBL Nicks, and the screen name is Coach Nick Money, baby. Hey yo, baby. Hey yo. Why not? Ooh. And if you want to join the Discord and get all the tools that include the scanners, the research tools, the news, the early watch list, and much more, go ahead and click the link in the description or in the pinned comment and take advantage of the 4-day trial for $9.99. Let us know that you're in, that you saw it in the stream. Let us know. Make sure you set the notifications on YouTube for tomorrow morning and Monday through Friday at 8:20 a.m. Eastern Standard Time for Microcap Mornings with the star of the show, Parabolics in the house, a.k.a. the Rainmaker, with his trusty ABCD Parabolic Huntress, the one, the only, the Serengeti Specialist, DBL Moms in the house. Let's go, baby. And that is a show that basically chases all the parabolic runners just before regular hours, pre-market, going into the regular hours of the trading day, baby. So make sure you got your noties on for that one, because you don't want to miss high quality stuff like that, baby. All right, doubles. I feel aggressive. Aggro. I feel aggro. Yo, that Homer Simpson guy upset me. He upset spaghetti me, you know? I'm just saying, doubles. I'm just saying. What do you think, doubles? What do you think? What is that? Oh, I need those. I need those things right there, doubles. I need them. I want them. I want me some of those. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? All right, let's see if we can get a shotgun, doubles. What do you think? I don't think anybody went there. Look, I don't think nobody went in there, huh? I see a lot of chests still available. Ooh, the sword's there too. Will I get the sword this time around, Doubles? What do you think? What do you think, Doubles? Oh my. Oh my. What is that? Alright, we already got that. We already got that weapon, don't we? We already got that weapon. We already got it. Shotgun. Shotgun. Why not? Why not? Ooh. Ooh. A lot of battle royale going on over there, Doubles, you know? Doubles. Oh my, Doubles. Why not, Doubles? Why not? Why not? Why not? Did somebody get the sword, bro? Bro, somebody got the sword already. You believe it? Wow. Wow. What's up with that, bro? Wow, that stinks. Ooh, look at that, bro. Yummy. 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 Yummy in my tummy. Look at that, bro. Hmm? Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Let's see where this guy with the sword's at. Oh, well. Oh, well. Oh, well, Doubles. Oh, well. Oh, well, Doubles. Oh, well. All right. Let's see if we can get ourselves some nice stuff over here. Why not? Why not? Let's go and see what we can do. Let's go to... What is this place called? Classic Canyon? Classified Canyon? Something like that? Something like that. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know where you want to go. In the volcano blows. Da, 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 da. Let's share the stream. Let's get to 1700. There's some gunfire over here. What's over here? No, we don't want that. I think I want that. Shooting over here. Oh no! Dude, I did it again. I did this yesterday. I jumped and if you don't grab the zip line right away, yeah, you gotta grab it, bro. You gotta grab it. It's alright, it don't matter. I want to talk about the stonks anyway. I want to talk about... We buy 143%! Who cares about a stinking game when you got 143% on a stonk, ladies and gentlemen? Wow, look at here. Look at here, baby. We buy... Whoop, whoop. Parabolics. The son of Parabolics. Whoop, whoop. Son of making money. Whoop, whoop. The son of Parabolics. Whoop, whoop. The son of making money. And remember, early bird. It's the cash. Forget about the worm. Nobody needs no stinking worm. Doubles, doubles, doubles. Oh, my. Oh, my. I love when the Indelible Tribe gets blessed with a parabolic on stream. Don't you? Don't you? Ha, 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 ha. WTG. WTG trying to break that resistance, Give me a bottom tail green, baby. Bottom tail green, bottom tail, CETX, still on the downtrend. No. FULC, yo, LFU, LC, FULC in a pennant formation, no volume. It needs volume. It needs volume. Heavy float, 37 million, only 20 million volume. CMCT. Ooh, look at here. It broke out of the cup and handle. 52%. Doubles. 52% CMCT broke out of the cup and handle, testing the higher day. Next resistance area right over here, which is around $6. If it breaks $6, maybe we get $6.25, $6.50. Come on now, CMCT, Creative Media. Yeah, baby. Yeah. All right, folks. Ladies and gentlemen, it has been swell. Make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel at Coach Nick Money. At Coach Nick Money, and also make sure you're following us on YouTube, on Twitter at Coach Nick Money. AKA X.com at Coach Nick Money, Facebook, Instagram, and Threads at Coach Nick Money, live streaming on Twitch at Coach Nick Money, and what else, Doubles? We're also on TikTok at DBL Nicks. At DBL Nicks. And of course, if you want access to an extremely incredible community that's early to the show with a lot of tickers like TWG, which was alerted in the Discord with our scanners and with our analysis and much, much more. All right, that was on Friday. We gave it to them. We gave them further analysis on Saturday, and the stock ran almost 300% this morning, today, right? Okay, so go ahead and click the link in the description or in the pinned comment for the 4-day trial at $9.99. You will have access to the momentum scanner that you're looking at in the left-hand side of the screen, also the breakout scanner and many other scanners. You will also have access to the news that's catapulting these stocks, as well as the press releases, filings, and much, much more, as well as the early watch list, which is always given Monday through Friday at 6:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for the next day. We gave an early watch list that was absolute fire, TWG, on Friday for today, and you could see that TWG is already up 300% and still climbing. All right, Indelibles, I want you to achieve all your goals and aspirations. We love you. We think you are absolutely amazing. We call you Indelibles because we want you to leave your mark and make sure it's unerasable, a.k.a. indelible, baby. Leave your mark. Be inspirational to others as well. It's always more fun when you're partying with people that are succeeding with you. It's, you don't want to be lonely. You don't want to be lonely. We want to tell you that we absolutely appreciate you, love you, and want to thank you, because without you, we couldn't do what we're doing. And we really appreciate everything you do and all the support that you give us. You guys are awesome. I hope that you got support from us. I hope you got some laughs. Hope you got some information. And I hope you just had a good time with us. All right, folks. Be greenable. We love you. It's Coach Nick.